I will be using this powder palette, my concealers, two of them, together with my brush, my small brush, my eye pencil, my small angle brush, together with my spoolie, and finally this Bamsi Wax gel. But if you have a brow gel, then you don't have to use, this wax that I'm using into my eyebrows. So I started off by applying the Bamsi Wax gel onto my eyebrows just like so, and then I'll go in with my powder that matches my skin color. Okay, and then I'm going to just apply it onto the eyebrows just like so, and it will give me an easier time when it will come now to drawing the eyebrows. Right about now I'm just drawing my eyebrows, and I am not using too much force when it comes to drawing the eyebrows. Okay, so I'm using my pencil, or rather my eyebrow pencil is color 1. Okay, and it is by Davis. So I'm just slightly drawing my eyebrows just like so, and I'm not using too much force. Okay, so you want to start by drawing just below your natural eyebrows just like so. Okay, you want to follow the shape of your eyebrows. It is as simple as that. Okay, so you literally follow the shape of your eyebrows. Okay, so when I draw now the upper part of my eyebrows, I'm going to draw slightly above my natural brow. Okay, just slightly. Okay, don't go way too much. Okay, so after that now I'll just do this hair like strokes just like so, and then after that I will just fill in the places that I feel like there are no hair. So you are just going to imitate your natural hair. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jana Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here already, please just go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share to your friends and family, and I will truly appreciate all your support here. So guys, the next step will be to clean my eyebrows. I'm using concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I am using my small angle brush. Okay, so I'll just apply it onto my, I'll just apply the product just like so, and then I'll start cleaning out my eyebrows. Very easy. And again, don't use too much product when cleaning your eyebrows. Just a little product goes a long way. So guys, I hope this video is going to help you in one way or another, and if it will, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share to your friends and family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So on the other side of my eyebrows, I'm just aligning what we did on the other side of our eyebrows. Okay, so I'm just aligning it, and we are going to have like this will help you to have a uniform, your eyebrows won't look like they are cousins, but rather sisters. Okay, so this is how I get to align my eyebrows and to make them look the same way, and that is what I'm going to do on the upper part of my eyebrows as well. So I'm going to use concealer that is 2 shades darker than my skin tone, or you can just opt to use the foundation that matches your skin tone. Okay, and that is how I got to draw my eyebrows and get them to look neat and somehow look like sisters, if that makes sense. So guys, what you do on the right side of your eyebrows is exactly what you're going to do on the left side of your eyebrows. Okay, so after concealing my the upper part of my eyebrows just like so, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so you're going to align you're going to align your concealer to match what you did on the other side of your eyebrows. Guys, if I'm really hoping that I'm making sense, okay, because I feel like this is the the easiest way to show you how I do my eyebrows, especially if you're a beginner and maybe you haven't done your eyebrows before and you just want to, you know, learn and know how to do eyebrows. So this is how I go to align my eyebrows and have them look the same way. So guys, as you all have seen, it is as simple as this, and I'm hoping that you're going to give this tutorial a try because it is very simple, and I feel that it is also detailed, simple and precise. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll just blend in, you know, the concealers just to match my skin tone, just like so. And I'm going to do that, you know, on the lower side of my eyebrows as well. And then, you know, with the powder palette that I show you in the beginning of the video, I'm going to use it to just blend that in. Okay, and I'm using the powder that matches my skin tone. So guys, this is how I go to draw my eyebrows, and I'm hoping that you learned a thing or two. And again, if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And you can always ask questions. If you have any questions or concern, please be sure to ask. Okay, this was basically it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.